Hello everyone, welcome back to Housey. Myself Cheshta. Today we will be revealing the teaser of our new upcoming project, that is Nambiar District 25, which is located on Bang on Muthalalur Cross, Main Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore. So in this teaser, we will be discussing about the following points. First one is project overview, second one is location, third one is amenities, fourth one is area, fifth one is booking process, sixth one is project discounts and many more offers. So let's get started. Coming to the project overview, this is one of the biggest township project in Sarjapur area, which will have 100 plus acres of land parcel. So they are developing their project in phase wises. So in phase wise, 8 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 tower with the elevation of 2 basement, ground plus 32 floors, having 2 BHK, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHKs. So now coming to the location part. So project is located on Muthalalur Cross, Main Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore, and hardly Sarjapur Road is 700 meters from this location, and there would be an upcoming metro station which would be 800 meters from this location. So now coming to the amenities part, project has luxurious clubhouse of 7.25 acres which will have multi-purpose court, swimming pool, squash court, billiards, snookers and many more amenities. So coming to the super built up area, project has 2 BHK, starts from 1205 square feet, 2.5 BHK, 1380 square feet, 3 BHK start from 1570 square feet till 1600 square feet, 3.5 BHK consists of 2100 square feet to 2170 square feet, and 4 BHK starts from 2485 till 2497 square feet. So now let's discussing about the booking process. So project is in pre-launch stage. So as we are collecting EOIs, which mean expression of interest as of now. So our sales team will explain you about the project and the floor plan, and also they will discuss about the pricing and payment schemes. So at last, if any client like the project, he can book by paying a token of expression of interest to us. So everyone, this was the teaser of our new upcoming project, that is Nambiar District 25, which is located on Muthalalur Cross, Main Road, Sarjapur, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.